from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing a high side plank twist. For these, we want our shoulder, elbow, and wrist all stacked, and the hand that's on the floor, the fingers are going to be wide, so this is going to help us balance. So pressing the ground away, and then we can stack our feet or stagger our feet with either foot in front. Our top hand is going to be up, and then we're going to twist, trying to bring our torso towards the ground, and then coming back, opening back up to that side. This is going to be major work for the oblique, as well as this shoulder that's holding you up. So to get stronger through those areas and to have your workouts written for you, go to KyraWilliamsFitness.com and sign up for online personal training.